no or beyond that but or nipa ntutu anamon bia kwa du ba bia ohia moa ohia obi obeso ase ohia obi mo akwanche ohia obi obepema mo akonkan na was set it up on one kasane business na circumstances leading to setting up that business and the kind of business any nimdia okosuku okunyan no utia is interesting but additional kese pa edema Abraham obo betwa idine no bibi kama is you a businessman?
Yes.
Bibia namne kwaso.
Me entrepreneur.
We entrepreneur. Bibia namne kwaso. I see. Twamfo ni kakra kire o sha adisuase na akọ wie we he ana de ni siye.
Additional sen.
Be me microphone kakra na fi yentu ni ye.
Me go school UCC University of Cape Coast.
Okay.
Yes. That's 2010 to 2014.
Okay.
And after school no say we school you be in service. But during your final year, there is this course that we do entrepreneurship.
All right.
It's part of your course, and then everyone is given a project to take on. That's you create your own product, and then you make sales out of that product, and then you present your account, how it went and how successful it was. And with that one, it was mostly a group thing, like maybe a group of 5 or something. Yeah. So you contribute your capital, and then you take on the project.
Okay. In your school, your service no, and I compare Jumaye.
Yes.
Unya Jumani be
Jumanu mode application the tran ye tro.
Trosa.
Obia say for CV bra. O de koswa yente ho hwe for CV bra. O de koswa yente ho hwe. Na utumi ko interview bi so wo a okwa yemfra o ebia you can't tell where the fault is from, but Ghana dey nim say you see whom you know.
Ghana sanity
whom you know.
So uni mo bi dia wakem.
No wakem.
Nti what tra and wako interview akwa product of UCC
bending.
Okay nti yento aso na every na we decide say obekọ ade a oshia wo no afa baabi e de aye adwuma.
Bedu baby no me apply adwuma bi na menyae, but na pay no enkonkan.
Odwuma ne pay no
enkonkan.
Na say
na meje 400 cedis.
O tinapko for kra chen.
A chen me kra.
Napko ni 700. Na wo je 400.
I just napko for no moetwa.
Omotwa. Na one tia say sa brabo ahase no say ye mu bi won so na ye je 350 cedis.
400 no nke bae ponka nke ya sempa.
Eno so mma.
Me
so me de no na mma. If say 350 no 150 beba ebia eye bosumi na ekona wiye no. Na de aka no bosumi ba ko na eto aso no eno so be de bia da no me de defend the carry forward eye salary. Eye me and the Dusty table B and a brand different DJ Desman. Nti the Dusty is overturn nka o SFM wa bre papa meka no asema che wachiri to ankomo no so
na che se ni asema meka no
meti ase papa
sa nti nemba na odwen ho a utio uye adwuma mo bobosia sa bobosia
uye adwuma so bobosia o de faka if is a car na o fa no bosume o hwe trotro eno kwa na obi a o hwe ho so yi o te se adwoage so am bosume ubanti de o mo de kwoto so nya adwuma keto ba wo no na o fa trotro no kra no wadaroma eno nkwa adwumamu na se eburu okachia
kra
trotro na bosumu kekasi ani a esise
me ka me fa bebe 200
bosume
na bosume no na che se ma cheska no mu
na 200 na ka wo de
ja se o de boss yen kakra na ye koyenim
we university graduate asem ne ye kan community
university graduate ya me anam tie yi teze yes ana o times of eating or so oteso
and you check the kind of food you eat nya say aduane bia na wo tu na obetimi dia koto
dabi
enti ukona na de na besi usu bi
metna ho adwen ho I was like my year this project at school, looking at the environment in which we are, you know, when you want to bring up something, it's mostly solving problems in the society that creates a new thing. When you try to solve a problem in a society, it's a way of creating a business for yourself. Like on say
the what this when na so bia wo wiase bia no ade ba kwese de wakoma say wo hwede say nipa hawo no ubet me a ye sa how na free omuso
yes
di sa na otena se a odwene ye
me dwen ye
say dia na ubet me aya ubet me afa kwan bi so ayi nipa bi ni mo how free omuso
yes
that time so akopre adwuma na unya bi di onya na 400
yes
nti how ben na person you free so
yes afi de metena ho me dwen ho no how no dia dawson nipa how dia dawson ba me dwen ho hwe no mia metumi aye project bi a enke no me de tutun ene ya how ma ema ne bi mu
okay
nan say de emre ni ho ebi wo ho a na anye se bibi but traffic or the traffic man no akodu fi
okay traffic as a very unusual traffic or motorway
yeah very serious
yeah
nti omu nyamre enye mema so ye penkwan na wo ye no ntumi mbon kwan ma odi asen die se
we adwaje so adwuma wo ye
hadwen
e bro odi bedu fie kura no ma do na nkasa no bro mo bedu fie na afi na mo beye nkwan ho nsem ne e bebre adwodu fie time 7 afi na ka kwa ya benkwan ana 8:30 o we bi ye nkwan
na abenkwan so
die so bekabi
abenkwan so die agimre pa obi tena ho memenda say not o ye abenkwan ya abeji ni hold
enya man nyina kwa ni go through the process of abenkwan no
enu mo so
enye man nyina because muni sa adaje ene ma do na kwa rere nkwan a problem for them cutting nkwan a problem abende bufu kura because one ye careful a mefine sa akoshisha abeni ma and the problem kese abro and what is the solution how the brain how what is the solution
and the solution na me dwen won say why don't I process abeno me making it easier for those who don't have the time to cut off their stress
how no
yes in free ho na eno ane say unya me product na eja
ode tu so hye mu ana ano ana ne
no ho
bibia wo
abe ena kanto say efrey bofum no turkey berries
na make na no kanto say no ya na go nyanya sa na mo nyine
kanto say de ye nim ni de emamu japan
yeah
yes kanto say de ya do
ye kan wa na ni ma de kro ye ka adwa say na so efri na ebe emamu jasro kokora
yeah me mu friend no
kwan susu wo kan sa no be huntina no pese be kanto say de is the best kwan susu na on say round green bi no e say agumu ahodo ba ko bi wono ma e nkitinkiti pa yellow nkitinkiti ba ko say green as a ball as a mama ball no nkitinkiti sa I wanna yedin na tie de yake to awasem so
yes enti eno sa no me de fon susu na count for health purposes nti on say ebi wo a onyem say no obekwa wo a or say wajimoja but I've had experience where a sister of mine onyem but me mama with that nimdie no emma no konsusu ade bia on say omtumi enwa kakra e blend
exactly
now no had your yen frequently to the extent that when she got to the hospital
was okay.
Everything was okay. There was no need for her to buy blood.
Wow.
Yes. So looking at that is a way of making the product like giving it more nutritional value.
What the spices be go muti say prekese form wisa through wisa bibi susoma na.
Spices na sem no de nan ka me pese me di bi kan ba me hwe enye obia na pe spices
and you go and go for through wisa obi perform wisa
yes
go for hwentia so obi mpe o de pepre ko wona na ko fa asema ba
yes nti we say ya de ya general obia
nsa so mu
yes obia nsa so mu no wo pe
so process ben go through as when your final product na be preservation was some process ben go through
abeno I have this machine that process it wo abeno I say wa
ode no
yes nti abeno wo abeno sana and then the nuts is being separated on say be to be a sa package in that form no mo de kwa brochi but na say nut no mo it makes it too heavy nti utumi separate abeno free mo na fe de chaff no de is not that heavy
in your case we in every we abena kasa adweno free mu
yes
na fe abeka mefe no okay
nti e ka mefe no sana that one is very portable
baby out to me the
just we share me crowd to me to at the shell bag
mo di bi buy
me di bi buy
farmer you are no fan to na hwese dit enti no first year farmer na fi wo social media na Facebook adwaje so ane de wa ba fufuru ya say friend say Messi say Ellen say Maybell say wow so this is it
yeah this is it
hey we bet myself ni pass
we ni say no
adwo afi o me nipa num ebetuma serve o
ebetumi serve o my biaka
we ni best buru nipa num
yes we ni equivalent to olunka baako that's what the young can get about 4.5 liters that's open I say mu epia take fine
na awana abeno abenkwan de api na ye na say de I say hone hone ye hone hone epi bebre na afi wagye wani so. Okay, so my own ingredients no one say nice. Okay, so process no koso ka kire
enti say machine na we no we pick out the nuts from it na fi di aka chaff no na my friend mefe no and then it's being compressed in the package into we say near compressing no.
Okay, it is a mesaka we are me do fie na me pese me be ma na pese me yenkwan na we ni mini ka fam tu so hiem.
Yes.
Na afi ma so ne so.
Yes.
Na afi menya real abeno. Abet Mr. Man muntie ye kan say ne ma dodo na nim all this process. Omu nim aben kwan krampo ye. Odi atu nsuo ne mawie no. Me beba o challenges so. Ba me pese mu sa de pani kra ya no pay. Nti odi atu nsuo hiem a ahuru afa so awie no. Me fi na be dissolve na no afi de wa hwie gu so nyemu. Na so wo de bo bi asiase. De enu no anya wa ben kwan a wo benu ano no.
Wo benu ano no.
Yes. Man go through process biao. That's one of the easiest means.
Yes. Yes.
Adwa wo problem bia na obebusa. Eni achi nkomo wa kire. Oh. Ye ntwa nkomo no so. Enti wo wie sa process ni wi ade mbiem.
We sa process ni wi a na fe de on say abenkwan de wo ya wo de wonam se wonam no meat na yi na wo de besi jaso a we steam nti wo steam na ya yi no wo de wo toast se obenyo bia na odi toast ye abenkwan wo pese mu pipa na ye ya odi toast fra nti wonya wo jene ne wo kakadro garlic wo de awo no na wo hwe enkwan no egu nam no
we fa nam bia
ba unze abenkwan so ye wone nam pa ma ne ye onya ukotodwe na wonya wo enwa wa kese ni bia
we da ka abenkwan de ka mi kwa ka ponche na pampam bon de ton oje fan kwa bi de e bon pa yi no o de wo abenkwan na afi wa pa adwene bi esi akire ho no wabubu amane bi afa nche ho ba bi
onya kisme quick bi afre mo
woni da ho ampa. Okay, so Mac Ready.
Yeah, that's the name of the company, Mac Ready.
But I love what could do out there. What you free additional copper white collar job, but what bad the normal field as an entrepreneur. Okay, definitely you have challenges.
Yes,
a whole lot, right?
Yes, a whole lot.
Wabusha for any judgment on Wakushimi was because the name will not become Wakusuku sa the Abena way. Kosuku koko abe.
And the Matima Tim be pa Matibi.
What's it?
Oh, Matibi.
Wakosuku abe. Say the best I can granaya. Wakosuku koko enya abena oton abe.
We be say fine man now to abe.
Ubi kasa chire.
O kasa chire me pa menima. I say abe ma mo ahu fefe say abe na oton. Am hwe ni.
Anti mema fa no te say ye na eton abe.
Oh bende.
But ebu abem say come on ebu abem.
Oh, on say udi bibisi wani su say wo pese wo ya. Enye ni ankofo kan wechi. And I was say man how. Because you know at the end no unim the reward there.
I see. So what are some of the challenges o share say media say financial challenge, logistics, nipa utterances no ebu abem, or what are some of the challenges?
I needed a capital to get some of the equipment like na me pese minya machine here but me de many to sika bi so amundi sika no mundi amba nti na me da ho twen twen but it got to a point I thought of it say if I don't start something
you will not get something.
I will not get something and I will not get anywhere.
So you start something to get something.
Yes.
And then you get somewhere.
Yes. Because I spoke to some friends that I know.
Asem to ana who said phobia ni wo. E also don ko tun adamfo so because o sika ana onim de obeboa wati. Busa adwoa onya problem. Asem to na wan ko dan nyame ama obi ameboa wa. O don ko tun ni paso wati ana no pay e be kan nipa dodo na akoma amomo aba omoa but eni yen koma ne kure ne se enfia hun tun ni paso. Wo de busa wana. We dey ko akira ide. Busa wana. Eti asempa na woka no apart from say Ghana for be bu abem say wakosuku de okọ enyina de otimi ko ye ni ene de abe unya hwehwe ye be kan sema kese achew de Ghana for pe eni say udin kurim dia ba enti bra obre also unya mo nobody will come on but a be mark ready group of companies I say akwano esakawa akwano frame akwano chia akwano na me kire ya razia wakoto akwano factory but ye be ba san komo no so enti ye nto aso we machine we sikana ma but nyina mu ukọ wanim koto machine
enu mo ndie man koto machine me koto wodu abewodu kiti ye bi
odi waduro na shasi
waduro na me de shasi na me kan machine de zema komani kitwa ni bi ona menya ska krapo na matokese kitwa ni bi na menya ska toye ato ho woma.
So that is what you do?
Yes, that was what I started with. Sorry how much. Oh, and the endani de obenye biada. Nansa ma beti na aba.
You are fit, Ankasa.
Oh yes.
Everywhere you are fit. Yes. Very, very fit. Di na who can you say o can't maybe also so be wan no support to ade awoyi. Ebusuafo wa wo for tiase no mo support o brothers and sisters mo na wo for no nsem bi o mbeka fa community awom o na wo for no mo go school from SHS basis abre atwetwe bi wa sorry awko se we kremoni so a mosque awko e won se no te say
oh ho de na nheda nye issue bia sa
Mr. Beneba no.
Yes. Oh de na nheda nye issue bia sa because my dad was very supportive of what I started because ono de bia na ka say if you are one say we are earning a living we konadwuma we go but I will say something in the house like a job. Yes. On can not doing saying school bia that we can all manage bia contribute and
so that's a family
something. So when I started, then he was like, wow, this is something that we can make it big.
So as we speak now, dear Potipa now here to make it a bigger one.
Yes, Sisi adie me here finance. Like as at now, me FDA, Mako FDA. But you know FDA you have to go through a whole lot of process.
Yeah, ma me da ko honum na James Labin so honum. The process be any all the no papa say ba the only thing they will do is just to make sure say I pass that test no. Now the sika authority in Bejefro in terms of registering and all those things na nya adwuma edin bia. Nti okwa de mani mo hu. We wo ka say omuti me say nko magazi na komne. Oti a wo ye gagaga no oba wo ne wedi nko na. Nti no so asem da but how de ye be clear ama because Ghana ni abranti a wo no otu hu acha wie university also person ye kuaye adwuma we kuaye adwuma because enja also bebie wa befu ko untimi nkototo abede bia wo eye dwaso ni jejeti ni nkokọ ikonongo ne nkokọ sa adwo anim sa kwanya ze make bi na so enti enei mi bebia o matrofo na to no just for 5 minutes me person o kan se mi kire onuanu ma no mo wie university bi nim tu fia o mo twen bank adwuma etwen radio adwuma etwen ankrankra adwuma se there's something that they can do even in the midst of challenges because be as say disappointment no ewa but there's an appointment inside. In your case be an encounter disappointment but appointment version ako fire no and I do be do something penso e din komo Hassan to ba sen komo na ni abre e be adunya se na ba ma obeti so aka se ye mo we e je nto komo so enti die na obeka kire unuanu ma wona wie school pon a won de omuti mpo nyina na emiensa yankọ abrochire a ene mema bi adweno mafa ye pe oba obehwe man bi so adweno mafa ye pe be ma obehwe we university e ti adweno mafa we university so adweno mafa 0302 be so friend so no the mobile money number betudwa ye kasa dodo ye criticize dodo edu ba bi a mommoa na ade hye ntimi mpem konke o mobile money number
patwa
and now ni bi kran kede den ka waboka and dodo na be ka makomba ya mom patcho koma ye di also o kan say 0302 216 561 and 0302 216 562 okay yanko try homra eno ada e ka de kamaso ya ehye ene di yanko try homra ye ba na afi ya to yanko no so wa am say
Chichi was it Colgate Chichi was it Colgate O pese wo say ya dinja Colgate O pese we no ye jam ya Colgate na say it nan kai ye jam fu no wa bra wo to Colgate for cry be dua so e was such it the boy 20 pesos pay Chichi Colgate say the new sham Colgate 20 pesos per
FD Ashisa Ejadien Kratui Ajetum say a year.
Get a new life, make your body go happy. Vital mineral water makes your body so happy. Vital mineral water, new life for every day. Vital mineral water, so vital mineral water.
Enti, ubiasa mi yakusia fila. Please. Nanso, enye se mi yemfifi mu. Asem no ane se, sima edika no pe na mitia wako biya me yeso. Eno ma mi senya 50 megabytes free data. Raina meti me baby a dream me Ehwe ne ekoso wo me timeline so a. Ena me se wasa wakola fufro. Ena na butwi etwe mu yanso. Akwesie di loto kesie. Akwesie me nua Adam for pound. Enti hello. Nia oni akesefo ebedi atuna hye
now for so good do bebre free MTN free after one so udi komo MTN so a se me di kan ba ko ne penalty ahoka ne aka hye no ni nyina ye free bonto ne asama internet 50 megabytes data free so now the browse be bia open we are open day fresh star 315 hash na fa hu hye mu sesia
we day for you everywhere you go
kai say enje share kakra wo ho.
Well, Yasaba, ye try and come on so hand say ye nua bema Abraham Obu Aketi oba no abema obechia me hage sa Aketi nti oba no abechia enko hage sa Abraham Yasaba back ma me fa frɛ for me sape na afi yen wi common why 0302216561 and 0302216562 na afi it hey set come watching. We are live on air. Namabodino. Seth Kwamwati, welcome. Wow, Seth, 1 second of your time. This guy is an inspiration to one of your coupon. Akitemo air. Stop that. What is all this? When we use coupon, and he's decided to the project work or the because our applications are interviews are and any automabe about your process. You must set Kwamwati or not practical things like that. Seth Kwamwati, a renowned journalist from multimedia, and say about somebody they do now. This is it. This is the end product, Seth.
Wow.
This is the end product.
This one is naturally made.
And instead say yes.
Yes.
Now this is we critical thinking now you see our school I
think I don't know apply no. As no catch
and enye de bia na also do need to aban so de bia make e de be na won so betimi do won sai
aye
what sua no wonya no ubetimi de aye that is it why are there ready abe
yes
ready are you ready
yes
why are there I'm proud of you
are you ready
keep it up Ebeka can now employ thousands of people.
I know na me na me di adwa Jesua kwa exam adwa hu na ne wo twetwe ni ade ebechi no na afi no no a big man
okay omo twetwe no me ebia me she me journalism as na me shase as a receptionist
yeah
good
good
na me a receptionist na me shase na me pick telephone calls be mama na mbu mabem na me what me what
and this hu
baby am pese me dru nyankopon adom me dru ho
yeah
Unim Adano me 2017 na me win 2015 me win best journalist no. Unu say me speech me reading no.
Yeah.
Me throw speech 8 years ago.
Now unim dada.
Na me nim say one day. Enti me throw speech 8 years ago. Na ma try to ubusa Isola yo bekacho ubusa kojo opon krom bekacho ubusa Samson ladi on bekacho tembia me wo ha me fana me reading no more sir. Na I'm say one day I'm going to read this and I read it.
This is too much of an inspiration. Patrol 0302216561 and 0302216562. Oh yeah, Makacho the number betuja.
I guess what?
Yeah, didi. Hello, good morning. Apom to say. Hello, good morning. Apom to say.
Nyame Adom na moswe.
Nyame Adom boko mpacho etiu.
Oh.
Hello?
Hello.
Mpacho etiu.
Minim say nia oye no. Imana be moon Buddha because that be odubedia ya dance ye. Sepia water kwa no tonwa. Onse Nyame Adom na Nyankopon Beshira suno bebono moho amwano.
All right. Yeah, that's CP. March Apom to say. Hello. March Apom to say.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Adom FM ni.
Hey, Adom FM ni.
You from me Odro, me kasa free Germany, Hamburg.
Yeti Odro.
Aha. Brano waya dia papa ya menshira no. Me school no kra man kobi na me fa Libya to ma bedu ha. Me po bi kra wa Ghana wo discover wo mo so mo fa nye me bia kan say poultry farm miensa e wo sunwan. O ma di nyira me sisi akra de me jai me de ayi kra ma obi so onye dey onhwe.
Oh.
Enti se brana ya dia pa, se me wo hey. Se se ka mi no bia obon hu modi say. Inka masi cry the bias happen okay metumi akwaji low me ya fa de
wada imagine so answer ti ugina so tigo fa no kwa chiri na afie ni sa nkomo no wa friend so 0302216561 and 0302216562 here dey by we ano. Hello, good morning. Apom to say
hello, good morning. My name is Kasa Finland and from me tio program no.
Good.
Na Ghana me mano nipa be tupe KFC.
Okay.
Or started ne sauce no or the ya cocoa no home KFC on a kitchen. Now he worth over 60 billion worth. And penifone baby or Ghana, that's baby all started and I hope pepe no almost started. A good say was started from the kitchen. A day aba abedu baby or one into onion or manabamu. Na on the package, adeba kwa make chance on share the package, and no SL and after so on trying for BD and make na any different kakra.
I see.
And food to arm the man.
Yeah, the landing for CP.
Okay.
You have a friend you chat to na for the number na to I'm sure say you na shareholders in your company. In the ever contribute to 11111 CD. E be we na we billionaire. Now ko see now unya billionaire we no one throw shame wo Ghana. La ila lao. Ina babaka. Baba ya take aswa. Machi apom say.
Hello.
Pacho apom say.
Nyame Adom na so to say.
Adom ne krakra nyina ne humobri. Yetio.
Dem be me catch brand say. Ape so no onye marketing is like distributors because I did the whole ton e say we nyam crofo me what distribution we ni e ma your offices in the debia. I mean it's a problem. We be have am qualify. It's a challenge. You know, they say you say this product happen on contact so that yenya so many distributors normal distributing na
Eda si bebre wo aya efutu papa wo de ama bibia ti akose miawoni ana hwehwe distributors na aja flyers ya na de akoto to Bank of Ghana na de beto multimedia na enye sa akwadworo ebrenti ne etimato project ni bi na afie timi de akofia kwa enti aya na obomodian but ene de hiame ne se yenya shareholders. We have to be proud of you as a Ghanaian. Our coupon, our chooses over here, the nipa do na person be. If our mobile money number tuja na yenina ebe contribute towards the success of this wonderful project I will take. For number tuja na
my number near
mobile money.
Yes.
Mempe hackers bia enti we na do dia so o bo na awana suku okoye no o bo number say go timi hackers number no.
My mobile money number near 0245 041 024. My sample Sibio. 0245 041 024.
Edini be beba.
Edini Abraham Obo. Yes.
Okay, so Sisubim.
Number near 0245 041 024.
I see.
Edini Abraham Obo.
Abraham, you said the encomo will be made sure the next time I will banana dance and Nyami IB.
Yes.
But Mumu, your team, the bit my catch on the Mumu. This is just the beginning. Greater heights and I'll be Kwankasa. In the Radinka, I could draw some confront toso. Omo and Munyama are very uncommon. Say the baby a BP piano, he be so dance. On shells, non show products and so. Na product ni ko to Joshua enini anu bia te say adwo agisua mo no a ebe sori atia project no Erade nka saa akoma ne ani nyina na techema nyina enhye
amen
onyame nye utiri normal product nye tiri se pass product we be dwa so be kwakọ kan fichire de bi da ti safa mobile money to dwa ene hia na afi ye no fa no man to dwa biem
so me sambo number no so biom 0245 041 024
okay
edin e beba ichire ye Abraham Obo
that's it
nyame enhira nyina
Sumas a back from me, Abama Mazunje. Miado, but sumas a back from me, Abama Mazunje. Baby and a zumba, you know. Anything I may say, baby, I made true dear. My parents
just dial *110# to send money to on Vodafone Cash today and enjoy an amazing offer. Amazing offer, better making Vodafone Cash free P2P. Vodafone Cash.